Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can throw grenades in Rust. So what we need to do is basically click on the left mouse click, hold it, and then aim it and throw it. So this is the one way how you can do that, like this. And the second way, if you want to stick the grenade somewhere, what you can do is basically run next to the wall and right click it like this. And as you can see, it will basically stick to the wall. Um, the same thing goes for the bean cans, so you can use those as the grenades, but those sometimes extinguish themselves. So the F1 grenade is better. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.